age-old quest. God, I wish I could work and make a living at what I do and have fun doing it and be supported and be serving the highest. And, you know, how many times have we all had that conversation in our life? Maybe a lot, maybe not so much. But we're all looking for that trifecta when all three of those things line up. And one of the things with one of the people that I see, the ones I work with, we're creating their storefront a lot of the time, meaning they're ready to step out with what they do. And they want to share it, either become a massage therapist or this or whatever it is they may want to do. And it's not always like in the rule book. It's not always in the role book. It's not always in the job description book. For example, if I said, okay, I want to get a job where I see people in their very highly polished state that they can't see, and then I help them get there, and then I have fun, and the rest of the time I do what I want, and, you know, is there a job like that? No. But there's a role like that. So we just get to a place where we can just like actually say what it is, take people out of our friend line, put them in our client line, give ourselves permission to charge for it, and be on our way, because the universe will support what it is we're supposed to be doing. So that's one of the things, is role consciousness, finding what our role is and finding a way for all those things to line up. And for a lot of my clients, that's what we do. We create the storefront, and then we give ourselves permission to charge for it, and we declare it to the world, just declaring what it is that you do. That's why these open mic nights that go around, I was involved with one called the High Frequency Tour, and everyone got to get up on stage for 3 minutes and declare what it is they do to the world. And it's like a declaration, and once you do, you send out that vibration to the world, and that's like laying the foundational grid for that to happen, for the energy to flow on.